addition of improper fractions and/or mixed numbers. So far, we have considered only proper fractions to explain the addition of fractions, but we can follow, in the same way, for the addition of improper fractions as well. So, there is nothing new to add here. As for mixed numbers, we can complete the addition in two ways, adding the whole parts and fractional parts separately and then writing the sum as a mixed number by making the proper arrangements, and writing both mixed numbers as improper fractions and then applying the aforementioned rules for addition of fractions. At the end, you can convert back the result in a mixed number. If the operations are made correctly, you must obtain the same result through both methods. Let's consider a few examples to clarify this point. Example: complete the following operations shown on screen, express all results as mixed numbers. Solution: let's use both methods in each of these examples, so that everything will be cleared at the end. Since LCM, 4 and 6, equals 12, we have the following as shown on screen. When written as a mixed number, this result becomes the following. The second method consists of writing all fractions as mixed numbers first and then completing the additions. We have the following. Hence we obtain the following. As you see, the results calculated through two different methods are the same. This time, there is only one conversion needed in each case. We have the following figure. Thus, since LCM, 3 and 4, is 12, we obtain the following. The second method consists of writing all fractions as mixed numbers first and then completing the additions. We have the following. Thus, since LCM, 3 and 4, equals 12, we have the following. Here, we have made use of the fact the following shown in the figure on screen. Again, the results obtained through the two different methods fit. When using the first method, we have to convert both mixed numbers to improper fractions. Thus, we obtain the following. Thus, since LCM, 8 and 6, equals 24, we obtain the following. When written as a mixed number, this result becomes the following. The second method consists of writing all fractions as mixed numbers first, we have them written as mixed numbers already, and then completing the additions. We have following. Again, you can see that we obtained the same result through both methods. That is all for lesson 3.4.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.4.4, Subtraction of Fractions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.